My name is Dika Kamfusa. This video is part of the course Applied Programs in Business BC 315. Today, I'm going to teach you about text and document formatting in Microsoft Word. Text formatting, essential tools. Here are the essential tools you need to know for text formatting. Align left, aligns the selected text to the left margin of the document. Center, centers the selected text between the margins. Align right, aligns the selected text to the right margin of the document. Justify, aligns the selected text to both the left and right margins. Distributing the text evenly. A paragraph is a continuous block of text, even if it spans multiple lines. However, when you press the Enter key on the keyboard, it creates a new paragraph. For example, what you see here is paragraph 1. But when you press the Enter key, this becomes paragraph 2. This is important because any formatting you apply will affect the entire paragraph. Adjusting line spacing to adjust the spacing between lines. Click on the line and paragraph spacing button and select the desired distance. This will only affect the paragraph where your cursor is currently blinking. To highlight text, first select the text you want. Then click on the shading button and choose the color you want. Page formatting next. Let's look at page formatting. There are two ways to format a page. 1. Using the ruler on the toolbar. As you can see, there are 3 buttons on the toolbar. First line indent. This button at the very top indents or tabs the front of the paragraph. It only affects the first line of the paragraph. Handing indent. The middle button indents the text from the front. It affects all lines of the paragraph except the first line. I'll demonstrate this for you. Left indent. The bottom button indents the front of every line in the paragraph. Right indent. This indents the back of every line. Go to the Layout menu and click the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the paragraph group to open a dialog box. Then, select the Indents and Spacing tab and set your desired values. If you want these settings to apply to all new documents, click the Set as Default button. Setting default document options. When you open a new blank document, the settings are a predetermined default. You can change these settings to what you prefer. The steps are as follows. Click the small arrow at the bottom corner of the Font tool. A font dialog box will appear. You can select the font style, and size for both complex scripts and Latin text. Look at the preview to see the changes. Once you are satisfied, click the Set as Default button and then OK. This will ensure that every time you open a new document, it will have these settings. That concludes this video. The next video will cover selecting text, copying and pasting, and creating a header and footer.